Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Dan Steele again with a drainage remediation update. I wanted to bring to your attention a issue I see with the remediation project, specifically between lots 142 through 144. These are the three houses on the right side of camera. The gravel is not being laid properly. There's two basic issues. First of all, see this wooden fence? Behind that wooden fence is a patio area. The approved grading plan for the City of La Quinta requires that drainage from the patio area, or storm runoff from the patio area, drains out into the alley. Because the gravel is actually piled higher than the patio area, it can't get out of the alley. The second issue is what's called clearance from the weep screed. What the weep screed is, if you're not familiar with it, is basically where the stucco along the wall meets the concrete foundation of the house. And California Residential Code and California Building Codes require that the screed shall be placed a minimum of 4 inches above the earth. And you can see what's going on here. The gravel is being piled up right up against the foundation of the home. This is not up to code. And what happens in a storm situation is that water will pond up against the house and has the strong probability of being able to leak into or flood into the home. And this is something that obviously we're trying to prevent and not exasperate with this remediation project. Again, you can take a close look. That's no more than 1 inch, and in some cases the gravel is piled directly up against the screed, the weep screed. Again, you can see the gravel is piled higher than the bottom of that fence. On the other side of the fence is a patio. Storm runoff has to run out of the patio. Again, you can see they're in the process of doing the whole alley. Thank goodness we got this caught early so we can remediate the remediation and get this thing back on track. What I'd like to also do is share with you a weep screed detail diagram. It's hard to see here in the video. This is directly from the city of San Ramon. They have the same building standards as La Quinta, so it's relevant. Section R703.7.2.1 of the 2016 California Residential Code and Section 2512.1.2 of the 2016 California Building Code requires that the screed shall be placed a minimum of 4 inches above the earth. You can take a look at this. You can read it. If you need a copy, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching the video, and thanks for all of your help in making sure that our remediation project is perfect, not only between lots 142 and 144, but throughout the entire community. Thank you so much.